As you can see on the screen there, the window is not activated yet. So we'll learn how to activate Windows. So let's start. So in the search section, we will type Window PowerShell. In that, we will go to Run as Administrator. Then a page will open in front of you. In that page, you will type rm https get activated.win.iex, as you can see on the screen. Then we will press Enter. A new page will open in front of you, as you can see. Now you have to wait. It will take a little bit of time, but as you can see, you have to wait. Now press 1. It's initializing. It will take up to 1 or 2 minutes. So you have to be patient. So now, after these steps, your window will be activated within 1 or 2 minutes, as I have said before. Now again, go to the Settings, Update and Security. In that, as you can see, there is an activation. You click on that and you can see Window is activated with a digital license. Thank you for watching. Go like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.